lang nitong conference na ito. Akala mo mapupunta na tayo sa playoffs kagad, semifinals, di ba? Pero we have a long way to go. Na medyo may logjam doon sa gitna ng standings. Sino ba sa tingin nyo yung top 2 na pupunta ng semis?
Tweet.
Nobody wants to pull a magoo.
Ganito lang yan eh. Okay. It's pretty straightforward. BMEG and Talk 'N Text have the advantage over Ginebra and Powerade.
Okay.
If you look at the schedule, Powerade from the guys that are behind, has a pretty good chance kasi kakalabanin pa nila ang BMEG. So pwede, if they actually win their last 2 games, BMEG has to win the one before they face Powerade para magkaroon ng knockout. I'm not really sure because rain or shine. Okay. So that's actually Powerade's going to have a big game. Ginebra, on the other hand, if they win their next 2 as well, will make 6. Problema dito, if nasa kamay ng BMEG at Talk 'N Text yung destiny nila, because all they have to do is win their games, pasok na sila.
That's right. With the way people are playing and the teams are going, ano sa tingin nyo, makakahabol ba ito? Siyempre sasabihin mo Powerade, pero makakahabol ba ang Ginebra, or what are their chances? What are your chances?
I still think we have a good chance. I'm not gonna say anything that will be bulletin board material, motivate any other team,
Forever na ayaw.
But of course, I'm gonna go with Powerade. It's still in our hands. We have the chance to force a playoff with BMEG if we beat them. Because I believe if we're tied for the second spot, there will be a playoff.
Yeah.
Holy Wednesday yun, yung playoff.
Yeah.
Pagka nagkaroon ng ties, Holy Wednesday, it'll be played. Pag walang ties, we end Palm Sunday and we start the playoffs Easter Sunday.
Pagdating naman sa Barangay Ginebra, ano sa tingin mo ang chances nila coming into this playoff?
If they play inspired ball just like they did Sunday, gaganda yung kinabukasan nila. But it's gonna be tough kasi nga, aasa ka pa na hindi na maka-7 at least yung dahil 5-2, kaya pa mag-7 eh. Netong Talk 'N Text and BMEG. So, hanggang 6 na lang Ginebra, hanggang 6 na lang Powerade. So, may dasal ka pa na Pero look, they are looking good for at least the quarters. Pero yung auto semis, yamado doon yung dalawa.
Pero
Talk 'N Text and BMEG.
parang nagdadasal rin yung yung Meralco. 'Di ba may isa pa silang game, tapos aasa na lang sila dun sa kung sino matalo at hindi. How does that work?
Very difficult. The guys underneath, it's very difficult because you're looking at so many teams really with an opportunity to reach 5. Kasi magbabanggaan pa sila. Some teams that are at 4 victories will play against each other. So someone's gonna make 5 eventually.
Nobody's actually officially eliminated yet. Kahit Rain or Shine, may talagang sobrang outside chance to make at least the quarterfinals dahil they can still make it to 4 wins. And pagka nag-logjam sila ng 4 or 5 na marami sila, it'll come down to the quotient, and then kung sino yung dalawang may pinakamagandang quotient na magpe-place ng 6th and 7th place, yun din na magpe-playoff.
And we also cannot count out itong Petron, lalo na meron silang bagong import. Meron kang mga inside info about the import?
Yeah, he's good from all accounts. He has a good post-up game at the traditional center, so he might be a good fit for their team. But they still have Talk 'N Text, and that's a very crucial game, especially depends if Chris Lutz will be back by then, but that could very well determine their season.
Is he?
That's
Parang
still uncertain.
Worse than what they thought at the beginning.
Should be out for another month. I think.
May, diba? May be out for another month.
But, Talk 'N Text losing to Ginebra, that
Laki
game was
nagkagulo.
the bottom teams would have liked Ginebra to lose because that would have given them 4 more losses.
Right.
But now with the remaining schedule of Ginebra, I think they only have Air 21 and Barako, which are very winnable games for them. Of course, nothing is guaranteed, but they're winnable games. If BMEG loses to us or Talk 'N Text loses to Petron, there could be a 4-way tie for.
Tingin mo ba ang BMEG takot ngayon sa inyo?
I don't know. I think they're motivated. If not, I mean,
Do you think nandun na kayo, sa psyche na kayo ng BMEG?
hindi naman,
Grabe, con artist! Okay, eto na lang. Last, sino sa tingin nyo ang papasok ng semifinals? Bold predictions.
Ba't ako una?
Ikaw eh.
Powerade.
Of course. And
I don't know. Doesn't matter.
come on. It doesn't matter. Ikaw, Magu.
Just like in the Philippines
Sanay
Cup.
lang, hindi pala ikaw. Bilisan, ikaw. Sino? Mamaya ka na. Ikaw, sino sa...
With the way they're playing right now, I like the way that BMEG is playing. I don't like their schedule. I'm iffy about Ginebra, but I like their schedule. I think with Talk and Text, playing wise and schedule wise, I think it's not a bad situation for them. They can get that additional victory that they need. And then finally, Powerade. I think they're playing okay, but it's going to be a big game against BMEG.
So, ikaw, Magu.
Hindi mo naman sinagot sino yung...
Oh, sige.
Wala.
Dalawa.
Wala
Alam
lang.
mo, mahilig si Jesus sa mga ganyan.
sige,
He gets
sige.
away with it. Ikaw, Magu.
Okay.
Just like in the Philippine Cup, BMEG and Talk and Text. In any order, pwedeng 1, pwedeng 2. Pero, yun yung ano eh. Sila na yung nasa 5 and 2 eh. Na dalawa losses and sila pa lang yung may 5 wins.
So, are you low-key saying na Powerade wala naman no chance in hell again?
Galit na naman sa
Anong masasabi mo doon sa dalawa na hindi mo sinali?
Like, sinabi
What
mo...
kind of chance do they have?
Is that your low-key saying na
Just like what
no
Jason
chance
said,
in hell?
pinakamagandang remaining games is Ginebra. Hindi naman sa ano, sinabi rin ni Charles yun, winnable games. Yung Powerade BMEG, kung sino man nanalo doon, yun ang lulusot din doon.
Tapos pinili mo BMEG kasi sila yung pinili mo.
Hindi, kasi sabi mo, kanina, motivated yung BMEG kontra sa inyo. Abi mo, diba?
Gusto namin to. It just gets interesting. Abangan niyo po ang mga PBA games.